Hello everyone, let's do question 1. Two forces, force 1 and force 2, act on a point. If force 1 and force 2 act in the same direction, the maximum resultant is a magnitude of 13 newtons. If forces F1 and F2 act in the opposite directions, the magnitude of the minimum resultant is 3 newtons. The magnitude of the two forces in newtons is, we have to find now which one is correct here. So using the information that is given here, let's take F1 as our reference direction. So we're saying that from this statement, F1 plus F2 is equal to 13 newtons. You see that? We are adding vectors here that have the same direction. And then we come to the second one. If forces F1 and F2 act in the opposite direction. Now, if F1 is our positive reference direction, then F2 is going to be negative because it's opposite. So we're saying that force 1 plus negative force 2 is equal to what? 3 newtons. Or this one can rewrite it as force 1, F1 minus F2 is equal to 3 newtons. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We can solve these two simultaneously to find what F1 is and what F2 is. Let's create equation 3 using equation 2. So we can see that, let's transpose this one here. Force 1 is equal to 3 newtons plus force 2. That's equation 3. And then we take this and then we put it here. We substitute it here. See that? So we're saying that 3 newtons plus force 2, F2 plus F2 is equal to 13 newtons. And then 3 newtons plus 2 F2 is equal to 13 newtons. Then we can transpose this on this side. 2 times force 2 is equal to 10 newtons. Then divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. Force 2 will be 5 newtons. Right, if force 2 is 5 newtons, therefore F1, remember F1 here is 3 newtons plus F2, therefore F1 is equal to 3 newtons plus 5 newtons, which is equal to 8 newtons. So it means one force is 5 newtons and the other one is 8 newtons. Whichever one of the forces is 5 newtons and then one of the forces is what? 8 newtons.